how to unblock my Aqua credit card. Now for some reason, if your Aqua credit card was actually blocked, you can contact Aqua to unblock it directly. You can try to contact the customer service and ask for further options, because on each case and each of your case might be different and there might be different ways and reasons to unblock it. But there are some things you can try yourself. Example, if your PIN was blocked while making a purchase, you can unblock it at most UK ATMs, and you can also view your PIN in your mobile app or online account manager. And if your PIN is blocked, you will need to contact Aqua to unblock it. Now, spending block. If your bank suspects your card has been stolen or is being used fraudulently, you can contact them to unblock it. You'll need to answer some security questions first, but in most of the cases you can simply try to contact the customer care number through the phone number, which is 0330 038 or 0181, to be able to contact them. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.